Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Zainul Abidin and you are watching the day 3 of political science. In last two videos we discussed what is political science. It is derived from a Greek word means polis which means state, and we studied the main pillars of a state. The four main pillars was people, community of people, territory, sovereignty and government. And after that we discuss about what is government is basically an agency which is needed to is an which is which is a agency which is formulated by the will of the people. Will of the state is equal to will of the people. And we studied about some other quotations by Morgan Thau, which is known as the father of IR. He said the struggle for and use of power is just politics. Okay? Sorry, I think. After that, we discuss about political science, and Professor Gardner said political science begins and ends with the state. After that we study why this is called so, why political science called so, because science is something else and politics is something else, but we merge this as a single word. Science is basically based on empiricism, the reality, the knowledge gained through five senses, and rationalism is knowledge gained through reason. So it is just merged. After that we basically today we're going to study about philosophy. What is philosophy? Philosophy is just the love of wisdom, the love of truth. Philosophy is the love of wisdom and love of truth. Study of relationship and reality, study of knowledge and reality. The word philosophical is the product of two factors. I just write it down: inherited religious and ethical conceptions. Now, what do you mean by it? Inherited religious and ethical conceptions. As a religious person, we obey to certain rules, even if in logics they didn't mean any sense, but we still obey them without reasoning. And ethical conception, we used reason to understand that. This sort of investigation called scientific method, when we try to imply logics and reason on everything. So philosopher Bertrand Russell said the philosophy is something between theology, mystical characters, and science, something a very narrow line. Philosophy, because philosophy deals with the reality and knowledge, relationship between reality and knowledge, and it consists of speculations. But like science appeals to human reason, this earth exists, this exists because there's a reason. The perfection of this universe, scientists still believe that this universe is so perfect that there can never be there must be there must be someone behind this perfection, the existence of God, I meant. So two types of philosophy which we're going to study. First is Western political philosophy, and second is Muslim political philosophy. Western political philosophy, there are too many philosophers, and I'm not going to name each and every one, but the mains are Plato and Aristotle. These two West classical philosophers, which we are going to study in detail. And after that I'll jump on to some of my own favorite, which are John Paul Sartre. She's also very good. Karl Marx, Vladimir Lenin, Mao Zedong. Oh my God. Frederick Hegel. I think my God, Immanuel Kant. I think I'm not going to miss any one of them because they are just too good. But I think I don't have enough time to cover all of them. So I'll try as much as I can. And after that, we'll start Muslim philosophers, which include Al Farabi, Al Mawarid, Ibn Rushd. But again, I'll choose some of them which are more famous. For example, Imam Ghazali. Imam Ghazali, the philosophy of Imam Ghazali is mind blowing. You will just love it. You will just love it. After that, there is also Allama Iqbal, perfection. Thus, Allama Iqbal, which I started a series, Shikwa Jawab Shikwa, which due to my incompetence, I should say, I didn't complete. But here we are again, longing into something. However, okay, I'll see you guys in the next video and we'll discuss about the structure of government, legislature, executive, and judiciary. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.